In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a saved chart layout in Tradingview. If you've been experimenting with indicators, timeframes, and drawings, your saved layouts can pile up fast. Cleaning them out keeps your workspace tidy and ensures you always open the right setup. Here is how to remove a layout you no longer need. Quickly and safely. First, open your charts in Tradingview. You can be on any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Make sure the chart area is visible and fully loaded so you can access the layout controls at the top. Next, look to the top right corner of the chart. You'll see the layout name displayed near the Cloud Save icon. This is the control that manages your saved chart layouts. Click that layout name to open its drop-down menu. This is where Tradingview groups options related to switching, saving, and managing layouts. From that drop-down, choose Load Layout. Selecting this opens a full list of every chart layout you've saved to your account. Think of it as your layout library. Each entry represents a complete arrangement of symbols, indicators, drawing tools, and chart settings. Now find the layout you want to delete. Scan through the names, and if you use naming conventions like date or strategy, use that to quickly spot the right one. Take a moment to confirm it's the layout you truly want to remove, especially if you have versions with similar titles. When you've located it, move your mouse over that layout's name on the right side. A small trash can icon appears. Click the trash can to mark that layout for removal. Nothing is permanently deleted, yet Tradingview always asks you to confirm before making a change. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Read it, and if you are certain, approve the action. Once confirmed, the layout is removed from your saved list and will no longer appear when you load layouts. If you are tidying up several old setups, work methodically and pause before each confirmation so you don't remove something you still need. Deleting a layout only removes that saved arrangement of panes, indicators, and styles. It won't alter your account, subscriptions, or data, and your current chart view stays unchanged until you load another layout. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.